is deflection. So as I push on this, you can see it pushes back. So for traditional window cleaning, it's gonna be no problem. It slides down, smooth finish. All the bottoms have caps, which this is a new design that's going to come on all SimPoles, which is really cool. And I'm working on another top, but for now it works fine with the 14 millimeter. It's not going to come off, but we have regular ones coming too, which I'll send. So this will eventually be $250 because it's 3K, smooth finish, caps on all the ends, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pole. Sometimes some things are worth waiting for. Right now it's on sale for $200 with shipping. So they're going to sell out real quick, guys. Some things are worth waiting for.